Hey guys, welcome back to Amazing Tips for You. Today's video is on an amazing home remedy that helps you get rid of dark spots, suntan, acne, pimples, uneven skin tone and helps you shrink enlarged pores. Let's get started, but before we start, do make sure to subscribe to Amazing Tips for You and tap on the bell icon so that you receive notifications about all our new uploads. I have taken tomato puree from 1 large tomato, potato juice from 1 medium-sized potato. The white residue settled at the bottom is starch, which is really beneficial for the skin. It helps remove any blemishes and uneven skin tone. And some neem powder. So I'm stirring the potato juice to get the starch mixed well and then adding in 1 teaspoon of neem powder and mixing it well again. In an ice cube tray, I'm filling in half the portion of every cube with this mixture. And then I'm filling the rest with the tomato puree. Freeze it for 5 to 6 hours. Once frozen completely, the ice cubes are ready to use. Take 1 ice cube and rub it gently on your face and body wherever you have the problem of suntan, acne, pimples, dark spots and uneven skin tone. Generally, rubbing with these ice cubes helps minimize open pores, refreshes your skin and makes it glow. Applying these ice cubes is an instant way to give your face a fresh and dewy look without wearing makeup. Tomatoes help shrink enlarged pores and reduces blackheads. They treat acne, soothe sunburn and revive dull skin. Tomatoes work wonderfully well as an astringent and improve facial texture. The vitamin C in tomatoes also brightens your skin tone. Potatoes treat acne and other skin conditions like dark spots and blemishes. The vegetable also works equally well for skin whitening. Neem powder will help in clearing acne, scars, pigmentation and blackheads and also lighten skin blemishes. Try this wonderful facial ice cubes to treat acne, scars, pigmentation, blackheads, to shrink enlarged pores and for a glowing skin. If you find this video useful, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember to subscribe to Amazing Tips for You for more such useful tips. Take care. Bye-bye.